Mavericks finally taking a nap. He didn't want to take a nap until like 11 o'clock. And Paxton's in my bed watching a show. So I'm going to go ahead and finally put on Paxton's stars that I have for his ceiling. You guys know I have these stars up here. And I got those from the Discovery Museum that we go to. And those stars were $9 and they came with like 16 stars. And they're like the worst stars ever. Because I know I used to have, I had them in my room when I was younger and they were still actually on my ceiling. My mom never took them down. My mom left them up. And I remember they would shine for hours. These will probably stay like glowing for 15 minutes. And they're like nostalgic for me because I had them in my room when I was younger. So I want Paxton and Maverick to like really like these. So I'm gonna put more on. These are by LiderStar and there are glow in the dark stickers. And these come with 252. And I want to get another pack for Maverick's room. So I'm gonna put these on. Before they light up, you're supposed to like charge them up using like a light source. Natural light is the best. So today I'm gonna have his blinds open, and then tonight when it's dark, bring him in here so he can see. I think it'll be so cute. I have like the circular ones and they have the tiny ones and bigger ones, and then they have a bigger moon. So I'm gonna put these on, and I'm not gonna tell Paxton that I'm doing it. And tonight when I bring him in here, I want to show him. And they're not like paper, they're made out of vinyl. They're supposed to be really easy to take off, that way they don't peel off any paint off of the ceiling. These are supposed to look more realistic because they are circular, and when you go outside and look up at the stars, it's like that you can't see like the 5-pointed star, they look like little dots. So that's what this is supposed to mimic, like actual stars outside. Hoping that they work a lot better than these, because these I regret buying for sure. And these are like a good alternative for a nightlight because they do light up the room, especially like before they go to sleep. So I'm excited to see how long they actually last, because these ones, like I said, last like 15 minutes. Anyways, enough rambling. Let me go ahead and put these up before Maverick wakes up. I think these are gonna look so good at night. I think it looks really cute. I did one over here, and then I'm gonna do more over there. But then tonight when it gets dark, I'll show you guys what it looks like, and then I'll see if I want to add more. So I have a whole other sheet. It's insane. I thought I had just this left, which I thought was a decent amount. Okay, so yeah, this looks so cute. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit more over here. Getting ready to give Paxton a bath, so I'm gonna leave the lights on. But I came in here to check on the stars, and it's been like probably over 2 hours since the lights have been on, and you could still see the stars, and you could not see the ones that we already had at all. I did a whole bunch over here because obviously this is where he is going to be looking up at, because his bed is right here. And then I did some over here, spread some out, and then I did a little cluster over there. So cute. And then I did some over here as well. Look up, okay? You ready to see your special surprise? Huh?
Yeah.
1, 2. How awesome is that, you guys? That looks so awesome. All right, it's 8:18. We are in bed late because I took Paxton to do a candy lane Christmas shopping for his at school. Paxton has this little flashlight. Well, it's actually Rob's, but he's playing with it to light up the lights. Go ahead, light up the stars.
Wow.
Do they look like real stars?
Yeah. I see that side. I started that side. So is that?
They see them. I will leave the link for these down below in the description where you can find them. I will also leave a coupon code down below that gives you 10% off of your purchase. But these are such a cute like stocking stuffer for Christmas. I think they're so cute. I love them. It's so like nostalgic to me. Okay, turn the light off now. Let's see how bright they are. 1, 2, 3. And these ones, the 5-pointed ones, are really pretty, but they do not last long at all. It's 8:46. 5-point stars are not shining like at all. No, 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 no. Are you all done?
Yes.
No, thank you. Good morning, guys. We are actually, well, it's actually good afternoon right now. I'm getting ready to go drop Paxton off at school. So that's what we're doing right now. We had mops this morning, and you guys, I gotta show you the 2 things that I got that are so cute. You wanna go have milk? More milk? You want some more? Okay, milk. Can you do milk? Milk. Milk. Please, milk, please. Yeah. Alright guys, so we are, oh my gosh guys, seriously, how handsome is this little boy? So stinking cute. But let me show you guys what I got for the raffle that I won. How cute. I think 5 people won these, so I was one of them. So I'm debating, do I want to plant it now or do I want to, I don't know if I can keep it here in water. I have to ask. So I can either plant it now or bring it inside, and then when the temperature gets warmer and it's the same temperature as outside as it is in your house, then you can plant it outside. Because if you just keep in your house for like 2 weeks and then decide to plant it, it's gonna die. So I thought that was awesome. I was so excited that I won that. Okay, I'm taking my shoes off. I was so excited that I won that. And then I'll show you the craft that we made. This is what I made. How cute. I love how it came out. I'm making mac and cheese for dinner, and it's gonna take 4 minutes. Don't have to boil the water or anything, using my Instant Pot. All you do, macaroni, water, 2 teaspoons of salt. What? Okay. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that. That's the first time I ever like did that. What the heck? I don't know. I'm pretty positive I did it right. I think you were supposed to do like the quick release. Watch, it was manual release. Manual release, quick release. No, that was right. I don't know why I did that. It didn't say to drain it, but I definitely drained it because there was a decent amount of water in there. Not too much, but definitely pretty watery. So I did that. But the noodles itself taste so good. I got this recipe off Pinterest, and I have leftover Velveeta cheese that I'm gonna throw in as well. And you guys, I just got my acceptance letter to the university that I'm going to. I'm so excited. We're at the Night of Lights. I'm so excited for the boys. They're all bundled up. It's just me and my mom and the boys. Rob wasn't feeling well, so he is not here. So it's gonna be really fun. And thankfully it's not like packed. sunrise.
And tell me your name. Go, Paxton.
Say hi! Somehow the chocolate milk cat flew off.
Drifted down your head.
And now I like, look at my What in the world?
Let me see.
I hit it on here.
Look, it's all over your head.
I hit it on the door.
Is your hair like that, up like that?
What?
The whole time up there? Looks like a chicken up there.
Okay. Yeah, the one
Wait.
came out.
Oh, it's even in the back.
It's all over my diaper bag. What in the world? Paxton! Mommy got stuff all over the place. Good morning, you guys. It is snowing outside. Not much, but it says we might get like 5 to 6 inches, which would be amazing because last year we did not get very good snow. You guys won't be able to see yet because it's like just coming down. Today I'm thinking about putting this away and bringing up Paxton's old train table and set up the train track, see how they do with it. The boys are having so much fun playing with their train table. We are missing some pieces, which I don't know why, because I made sure to keep all the stuff and I don't know where they went. It's okay, baby, we'll get more. I had a whole bag of like extra train tracks that we could just like put on the floor that Rob's mom gave us, and I don't know where they are, and I don't think I'd put them in the attic, so I have to ask her if she has them still. But I'm gonna make scrambled eggs in the Instant Pot because it's the easiest thing ever. The boys are eating their eggies and yogurt. Hello.
The snow. I eat snow, Dad.
Eat the
You
snow?
want to eat snow?
Oh, it's
December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antlers, onwards ever go. December day, on this cold December day.
the best thing about playing out in the snow is coming inside, feeling like all you want to do is have some hot chocolate and snuggles. Is it going? So we're having hot chocolate. I made chocolate pudding for dessert, and I'm making tacos because we have leftover like taco shells, like hard shells, so I could just crush them up and make like kind of like nachos type things. So I'm gonna do that. Doing that in the Instant Pot because I'm just sauteing it in there. Is it yummy? Did you make your snowman outside? Yeah, was it?
Like this one.
Oh, look, yes, there's just hot chocolate.
Hot.
What's your snowman's name?
Snowball. Snowman.
Snowman?
Snowman fight.
Oh, it's called Snowman Fight? That's not very nice. I think his name should be just Snowman. What's his name?
I mean snowman
Oh,
outside.
no, he's saying he did a snowball fight. You did a snowball fight.
Snowman fight to fight. Then fly. Oh, Mom?
Oh, he's saying more.
Okay.
Paxton knows to sign more, so he says, oh, more? That's so nice. Mommy's trying to tell you more, huh?
Oh.
A couple more marshmallows, and then they're only for hot chocolate, okay? That was nice, okay? Only because that was adorable.
Mom?
That's good.
Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome, sweetie.
Thanks, a hot pocket.
You're welcome. Is it so much fun?
Yeah.
All we're missing now is tomatoes. You guys, he's just a mess after dinner. The chair is filthy, he's filthy. What are you doing? Maverick, look at yourself. What happened? You guys, our kids are just a mess. You guys, this kid is like insane. You need to be in a nudist colony, kid. Oh my God. I took his shirt off and it smeared his chocolate all over his face. Hold on, you're gonna get it in your eyes. I'm seeing the boys' bath and I was just looking out of Paxton's window and I see his snowman and it just gives me such a nostalgia because you know when you remember like when you were little and you used to build a snowman and you'd like look out the window like, is he still there? And that movie, The Snowman, you guys, I've watched it since I can remember. He loves that movie. That's so cute. Alright, you guys, well, I look awesome. I just took a shower and I'm getting ready to edit. I won't be putting a vlog up today. I did do a cleaning video today with Rob is putting Paxton to bed. They were just watching The Elf on the Shelf and I was like, where did you get this movie? But it's on Amazon Prime. If you guys have Amazon Prime, Elf on the Shelf is on there. Anyways, I feel like I'm rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.